Hello and welcome to the city. I hadn't planned any video for today, so I thought, well, I might as well show you around my dirt bike. I don't really wash anything. Anybody that knows me knows all I do is just ride, and I don't do much in the way of maintenance. But anyway, I just thought I'd give you a walk around and show you some changes that I've done. One of the things was, I think this was the first thing I did, was I 3D printed that spacer. What happens is the mudguard there will actually trap mud in the tread underneath it and just bind the tyre up. Another thing I did, and to be honest, the quality of stuff from India really is scary. This is starting to rust, but I put on this mounting system, and then I added the quad lock. That's actually a charger base, so my phone can go onto it and charge, and that's just a mount for the camera. You know, it just gives me a better view, I think, instead of screen. Yeah, she was dropped a couple of days ago on a field. I'll try and put the photograph in, and yeah, these bags, the Lomo bags, now I love Lomo stuff. That was originally back on that pannier, but I moved it up front because my mate Vincent has got a bigger set that I can use from there. That's for keeping the battery topped up. Now I will move that up onto the mounting rack behind the screen, simply because I can then charge the camera and things like that. I also printed that lower part there because I just didn't like the look of it without it. It was unsightly. I got this top box from a lad in Donegal, and oh God, it's been a lifesaver. I absolutely love it. And I printed that part there. It's just a storage unit thing. It just helps me when I want to put small items in. I do need to glue it down, and that's a spare fuses, and that thing there is just a tire pump and my rock straps. I never go anywhere without those. You never know when you're going to, well, I never know when I'm going to buy something I shouldn't be buying. But anyway, the other thing, of course, I've done, and I always do it with chain bikes, is I added a Toto chain oiler. Brilliant piece of kit. I don't know why more people don't have one. But anyway, that's all I'm going to say. This is the Civi, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I don't know how good or bad it is, but anyway, speak to you later. Bye bye.